Good morning, students. Welcome to Venus World School. Class first. Subject computer. All of you open computer textbook, page number 12. First, tell me, all of you completed last week homework. What is the last week homework? Complete the practice assignment 1, 2 and quiz 1 and 2 in textbook. इन टेक्स्ट बुक सबने कंप्लीट किया है होमवर्क लास्ट वीक का. वेरी गुड. इफ यू कंप्लीटेड, वेरी गुड. देन नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न आवर सेकेंड लेसन, parts of computer. First, write down CW and today's date, 1st August 2020. Okay. Now, after studying this chapter, you will be able to identify the parts of computer and their function. Okay, students, all of you know what is computer. Computer is a machine and it works on electricity. It needs electricity. Okay, but computer does not work on its own. वो खुद से काम नहीं करता because there it contains parts, different parts, and these parts works together to do any task. See the picture they given. There are different parts of computer. The first part is monitor. Then second part is system cabinet, or we say CPU, central processing unit. Third part is mouse. And fourth is keyboard. Okay. These are the parts of computer and these parts work together to do various tasks. If any one of this is not working, then we can't do any work on computer. This is the reason computer does not work on its own. Now turn the page 13. They given one activity. All of you know this activity. Label the parts of the body. First part, see. What is this? Head. Then second part, eye. Then next, neck. Third, hand. Then what is this? Chest. What is this? Leg. And last is foot. All of you know, all of you learn in senior KG. Now these are the parts of body. Like human part have a parts of body, like computer also have parts. The main parts of computer are, first is monitor, second is keyboard, then third is mouse, fourth one is system cabinet or CPU. Now let us know the function of this part. First part is monitor. 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 See, this is the picture of monitor. Monitor is same as a television. Looks like same. Means monitor of computer looks like television. See, here is television. They given to compare the monitor and television. Yes, monitor of computer looks like television. Means monitor screen display the work that you do on the computer. Means what? Whatever you type, whatever you draw on computer, it display where? It show on monitor. Means the monitor shows whatever you type or draw on the computer. Okay. You can also watch educational movies and cartoons on the monitor as you see on the television. जैसे आप टीवी पे कार्टून्स या मूवीज देखते हो, वैसे आप मॉनिटर के ऊपर भी देख सकते हो. मीन्स यू कैन ऑल्सो सी मूवीज एंड कार्टून on it. Okay. Now next, part of computer. All of you open page number 14. Next part is keyboard. Another part of computer is the keyboard. See all of you, image of keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons. It is called buttons. It has many buttons and we call these buttons as a keys. Buttons को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Keys. Means a keyboard has many buttons and these are called as a keys. The keys are used to type your name, any number. Okay. And each key has mark on it. Mark on it means label it. An alphabet means A to Z letters, then numbers from 0 to 9, and also symbols, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and any other symbols also present. Okay, means keyboard contains many buttons and these buttons are called as keys. Okay, and with the help of keys we type our name or any number. Okay, next is they given one activity for you. See, these are many colorful buttons. ये buttons से imagine करने. Match the buttons with the same color of basket. जो buttons है उस बटन का कलर एंड बास्केट का कलर जहाँ पे सेम होगा उसे मैच करना है हमें. एंड द वर्ड विल बी फॉर्म. उसके बाद एक वर्ड बनाना है एंड राइट द वर्ड in the blank space. Okay, first start from first button O. Button O. Then where is that basket of that color? See. Okay, then next is N button. Then match it. We also write here for our convenience. O means N. Then I. Okay, then O. Next button is O. See the color of basket, it matching with it. O, right here O. Then M is matched with first one. Then it right here M. Then next is R matched with last basket, right here as a R. And T, right here T. Now we kept buttons in basket of same color. Then write the word here. This is first letter in first basket. Which letter? M. Then write here M. Second basket O. Third basket N. Fourth basket which letter? I. Then fifth T. And sixth O. And seventh R. This is a monitor. कौन सा word बन गया? A word will be formed. Which word? Monitor. This is a monitor. Okay, now next part of computer, mouse. All of you see picture of mouse. Okay, this is a mouse. Okay, the mouse of computer looks like a real mouse and the wire that is attached to CPU. See here, the mouse wire, keyboard wire and monitor's wire is connected to which part? System cabinet means CPU. Means mouse is connected to CPU by using wire. Okay, it is used to point and click things on the monitor screen. What is the use of mouse? It is used to point and click things on the monitor screen. Okay, then next, mouse is always kept on mouse pad. It is known as a mouse pad. I write here. Mouse is always kept on mouse pad. Okay. Then a mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. This mouse has 2 buttons, left button and right button, left button and right button. Then in middle of these 2 buttons there is one wheel. It is known as a scroll wheel. Okay, means mouse has 2 or 3 buttons, and mouse is used to point and click things on the monitor screen. Okay, this is third part of computer. Then last and the most important part of computer is system cabinet, or we say CPU, Central Processing Unit. This is system cabinet, and there is one button. This button is pressed to switch on the computer. Computer on करना है हमें. For that we press this button, power button. By pressing this button, our computer will get start. This is system cabinet. It has button that you have to press to switch on the computer. हमें ये press करना है computer on करने के लिए. It holds the CPU and some other parts of computer. Okay, it contains other parts. This is just external body. Now this it is here they given CPU, means it is a processor है ये. CPU contain many other parts like motherboard, processor, memory. Okay, then CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit, and CPU is the brain of computer. It is the brain of computer. It controls the computer. That's why it is known as the brain of the computer. Okay, we learn the main parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse and system cabinet. Yes, all of you understood? Okay, then last activity, fill in the missing letters to complete the words. First is monitor. Write the spelling of monitor. M, which letter is missing? O. N, I, then T is missing. O, then R. Monitor. M, O, N, I, T, O, R. Monitor. Then second part of computer is keyboard. K, E, Y, Y is missing. B, O, A, R, D. Keyboard. K, E, Y, B, O, A, R, D. Keyboard. Then third part of computer is mouse. Then M, O, U, S, E. All letters must be in capital. They given in capital. Then you also write in capital. Then last part of computer is system cabinet. Which letters are missing? S, Y, S, T, E, M. System. Cabinet. C, A, B, I, N, E, T. System cabinet. Okay. Now all of you open page number 18. They given activity zone for you. All of you open page number 18. Okay, look at the pictures carefully. ये pictures आपको देखने. Identify the missing part in each picture. जो missing part है. All of you know parts of computer: keyboard, mouse, monitor and system cabinet. उस पिक्चर में कौन सा पार्ट मिसिंग है आपको यहाँ पे उसका नाम लिखना है. राइट द नेम ऑफ द मिसिंग पार्ट इन द स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड. ओके, देन फर्स्ट पिक्चर सी, मॉनिटर, कीबोर्ड, mouse. Which part is missing? System cabinet. Write the spelling of system cabinet here. SYSTEM, system cabinet. CAB, cabinet. Okay, next is second picture. See, system cabinet, monitor, mouse. Which part is missing in this picture? Yes, keyboard. Then write here, keyboard. KEYBOARD, keyboard. Then see third picture, system cabinet, monitor, keyboard. Which part is missing? Mouse. Right here, mouse. MOUSE, mouse. Then see system cabinet, keyboard, mouse. Which part is missing? Yes, monitor. Then right here, monitor. Then B, rearrange the jumbled letters to get the names of the parts of the computer. मीन्स उल्टा पुल्टा जम्बल्ड करके लेटर्स दिए, मीन्स उल्टा पुल्टा बोल दे जम्बल, तो हमें वो प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में अरेंज करने. देन वी गेट द नेम्स ऑफ द पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. फर्स्ट MSEOU. विच पार्ट? yes, mouse. Then write the in proper sequence. MOUSE. Then next is monitor. First MONITOR, monitor. Then simple, CPU. First write C, then P, and last one is U. Okay. Fourth, keyboard. K, then E, Y, B, O, then A, then R, then D. Keyboard means they given jumbled letters. उल्टा पुल्टा करके दिए है, हमें प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में अरेंज करने वो लेटर्स. एंड देन आफ्टर वी गेट parts, name of the parts of computer: mouse, monitor, CPU, keyboard. Now next is learn with fun. Collect the pictures of the computer parts and paste them on chart paper. आपको क्या करना है? पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर कलेक्ट करने, कीबोर्ड, माउस, CPU and monitor, and paste them on chart paper, and also write few lines on each part. This is for you. Okay, now we will stop here. Thank you.